Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class in continuation of history, chapter Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Today's content: what changed after October, the Civil War. These two video I am going to cover in this uh, video, and the making a socialist society. This topic I am going to cover in next video. Okay. The changes after October Revolution. The October Revolution in Russia in 1917 was supported by majority of Soviet people. Russia was in ruins after First World War, so the situation was ripe for a revolution to bring about the changes. The October Revolution changed the complete scenario of Russia. Changes in Bolsheviks' policy. First point, Bolsheviks were completely against private property. Second point, they nationalized bank and industry. Third point, they declared land as a social property and allowed peasants to take the lands of nobility. Fourth point, large houses were partitioned according to family requirements of Bolsheviks. Fifth point, they even banned the use of old social titles like upper class or elite class. And sixth point, a clothing competition was also organized in 1918 when the Soviet hat, which is known as in Russian language Buzhnoshvaka. Buzhnoshvaka, it's a Russian language, that is a Soviet hat, was chosen. Now, the next topic mention three changes observed after October Revolution in Bolshevik policies. So, these three changes you are going to describe from the para which I have just explained to you, and this is 3 mark question. Changes in Bolshevik party. Earlier we have discussed changes in Bolshevik policy. Now we are going to discuss changes in Bolshevik party. After revolution, Bolsheviks party was renamed as Russian Communist Party. They conducted elections to Constituent Assembly in November 1917 but failed to get majority support. The assembly did not allow Bolshevik measures, so Lenin dismissed the assembly in January 1918. In March 1918, Bolsheviks made peace with Germany against the advice of their political allies. In the later years, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in elections to All Russian Congress of Soviets. All Russian Congress of Soviets formed the parliament of the country and Russia became a one party state. Trade unions were kept in control and anybody criticizing Bolsheviks was punished. Multiple experiments were carried out in the field of arts and architecture after October 1917. But many writers and artists soon became disillusioned because of the censorship imposed by the party. When we talk about censorship, it is related that there is no liberty to print something by our own or criticize the government or the print like which is related to against the government. First we pass by the government and then we publish. The secret police called the Cheka first and then later OGPU and NKVD punished those who criticized the Bolshevik. Means Bolshevik kept a secret police. Earlier it is known as Cheka, and then now the secret police under Bolshevik OGPU and NKVD. What changes observed in the Bolshevik party after October Revolution in Russia? Just now we have discussed. Now the civil war. When we talk about civil war, there can be situation where the citizens of the country are against each other. There have been many civil wars in different parts of the world like American Civil War, Sri Lankan Civil War, etc. One such civil war also occurred in Russia after October Revolution of 1917. After October Revolution, Bolsheviks ordered that peasants could take their land from nobles. Many soldiers of Russian army were actually peasants, so when they heard about land redistribution, they went back to their villages. Nobles, liberals, supporters of monarchy did not like this move of Bolsheviks. They organized troops in South Russia to fight with Bolsheviks. Let's study in detail about civil war in Russia. The civil war was fought between the Red Army that represent Bolsheviks, the White Army that represent to the supporter of Tsar Nicholas, and the Green Army Socialist Revolutionary Party. During 1918 and 1919, most of the Russian Empire was controlled by the socialist, revolutionaries, and Tsar supporters. They were supported by French, American, British, and Japanese troops. These are the outside forces. French, American, British, and Japanese troops were supporting non Bolsheviks because they did not want socialism to spread in their parts of Europe. There were incidents of looting, banditry, and famines during the Civil War. The pro Tsarist supporter took brutal and cruel actions against peasants. By January 1920, most of the Russian Empire was controlled by Bolsheviks. Bolsheviks got the support from people who were non Russian and Muslim jihadists. Muslim jihadists were the reformers who wanted the modernized Muslim community of Russian Empire. Finally, the Red Army won the civil war, means Bolshevik won the civil war. In December 1922, Bolshevik created the Soviet Union, USSR, from the Russian Empire. USSR was a group of Soviet republics formed in the leadership of Lenin after Civil War. Non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy, which means they could have their own government. But Russia became the leader of USSR and the local governments had to follow many unpopular policies of Bolsheviks. Question related to the topic: what was the single most important cause for the breakup of the Russian army? So, this is the answer. Please watch video and try to solve with the help of book. In the Russian Civil War, the Bolsheviks and the Soviets revolutionaries were represented by which color? This is also explained. Explain any three reasons which led to the civil war between the Bolsheviks and the Russian army of non Bolsheviks. Now, see the answers. Land redistribution is the answer of first question. Second, in Russian Civil War, the Bolsheviks were represented by red color and the socialist revolutionaries were represented by the color green. Then third answer, when the Bolshevik ordered land redistribution, Russian army began to break up. Soldiers, mostly peasants, wished to go home for the redistribution and deserted. Opposition from greens and white. So these 3 points you can write for the 3-mark answer. Outside forces support like French, American, British, Japanese troops. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.